Deborah Harris, Amanda GVAY, Eric Nolan, Art Babbitt. Please proceed.
And I, too, don't want to get too close to this, so if you can't hear me, just, raise your hand. I'm used to talking over hundreds of students, so I'm sure I can talk to you. Good evening, Commissioners. I understand that you've had a long, long day and night, and I'm really sensitive to all the work that you put in. Commission work is free. In case people don't know that, you all don't get a stipend for doing this. So you do this because you care about our community.
Could you state your name for the record?
Oh, I'm sorry. I totally forgot.
No problem.
Deborah Harris, 25 West Soap Creek Trail, Flagstaff, Arizona, 86005. They just changed it. So, all right. So I know that you all, spend a lot of time looking at these kinds of issues. I'm here tonight to speak to you on behalf of a League of Neighborhoods. Now, some of you may have heard of a League of Neighborhoods. We are comprised of 3 community associations, neighborhood associations, La Plaza Vieja, Southside Community Association, and Sunnyside Community Association. And I've been asked to speak on behalf of those 3 organizations and to let you know that we do not, repeat, we do not approve of this zoning change, and we're asking you not to approve it. Now, I'm going to put that hat aside for just 1 second and let you know that I am also an Associate Dean of Students at Northern Arizona University, and I have been their judicial coordinator for a number of years. I am no longer in that position, but I remember anytime you put 650 students in a place without appropriate supervision, you're asking for a problem. We were all young adults once. We were all that age. And we want them to have great experiences, but we also want to be careful with how we kind of monitor those experiences. So when you think about this, think about Flagstaff as your house. This is your house. It's our community, and we should never, ever let anyone from outside of our community come in and tell us what we should do. We get to make that decision, all of us. And so I would urge you to think about this as your house, and you would never, ever let anyone come in and put your house in danger. So don't do that to someone else and to this community, okay? We're going to figure out the student housing issue. Don't worry about that. We always do. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.